Hey folks, welcome to AIC's analysis of HRC futures trading out of Shanghai Futures Exchange in China. We're looking at the weekly chart from 2018 to the present, where HRC futures prices made a high of around 45.30 in June 2018 before bottoming out around 31.50 in March 2020 due to the pandemic. Since the March lows, HRC futures have rallied 114% to touch 67.30 in May 2021. That is an significant rise in steel prices as economies are opening back up after pandemic lockdowns. Steel prices powered to historical highs in May, which led Chinese regulators to step up inspections. We saw a record monthly crude steel output in China for April, despite government's efforts to encourage cuts to production. These actions have led steel prices to correct 24% by May end to touch 51.10, backtesting our causation level of March 2021 before closing at April lows of 54.40, ending a very volatile week of trade. Since May lows, prices rallied 23% to 62.90 by July end, when further tightening of steel outputs were initiated by the Chinese authorities, causing HRC prices to sharply correct down 13% to 54.73. Again, a perfect backtest of support from April lows. A word on the red lines on the chart that indicate support and resistance levels in price and time. The ones emanating from the May highs are resistances, and those rising up from the April and March lows are supports in price and time. Last week, after a perfect backtest of the final support level from April lows, prices closed Friday above the second support level at 56.78, indicating a rise up from these levels next week. Let's now determine the support and resistance levels for next week and beyond. First support is 56.80, failing which second support is 54.80. If the 56.80 support holds next week, we would test our resistance at 58.90 next week. Now, closing above this resistance would be bullish for HRC futures with a swift move towards 62.45 in the first or second week of September. However, if prices close below 58.90, folks, we would then backtest support at 5700 in the first week of September. That's it, folks. That's my analysis of HRC futures trading on the Shanghai Futures Exchange in China. Look forward to my analysis of rebar futures in the next video. Contact us to know more. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video of our steel sector price time analysis.